The global energy crisis, driven by climate change and rapid urbanization, calls for new ways of generating and utilizing energy. In the age of Industry 4.0, billions of connected devices power our lives, yet over 15 billion batteries are discarded every year, polluting our planet and threatening sustainability. Guided by India's vision of net zero emissions by 2070, CSIR National Institute for Interdisciplinary Science and Technology is leading the transformation through indigenization, pioneering the development of the world's most efficient indoor dye-sensitized solar cells, and deploying off-grid, battery-free, self-powered products, partnering with embedded technologies across diverse application domains, blending science, technology, and art. With air travel expanding rapidly across domestic and international sectors, airports have become potential hotspots for the spread of airborne diseases. Responding to this global challenge, NIIST has developed and deployed Pavan Chitra, a one-of-its-kind, self-powered and sustainable indoor air quality monitor at the Thiruvananthapuram International Airport, dedicated by the Honorable Minister for Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh in October 2024. Building on these pioneering advances, NIIST has now indigenously established a semi-pilot facility for high-throughput, pre-commercial production of indoor dye solar modules using scalable and cost-effective architecture, partnering with ProQ Technologies. In a significant milestone, Dr. Jitendra Singh, Honorable Minister for Science and Technology today, dedicates Ananda, automated nodal hub for assembly of next-generation dye-sensitized light harvesters, emerging from the divine land of Ananda Padmanabhan to the nation, marking a landmark step in India's pursuit towards sustainable indoor light harvesting technologies.